Buck had a problem. Everywhere he looked, people were chasing the next big thing. Crypto, artificial intelligence, apps, online stores, businesses with impressive names and even more impressive promises. But then Buck noticed something strange. While everyone was searching for a revolutionary idea, some people were quietly making very good money doing incredibly ordinary things. Cleaning houses, cutting grass, washing dirty driveways. Nothing glamorous. Nothing that would impress anyone at a dinner party. But that is exactly the point, because when a job is boring, repetitive, messy, or inconvenient, fewer people want to do it. And customers are often happy to pay someone else. So Buck started investigating, and these were the first 6 businesses he found. Number 6. House cleaning. Nobody wakes up excited to scrub someone else's bathroom, which is exactly why the business exists. A cleaner does not need to convince someone that a dirty house is a problem. The problem is already there. The interesting part is recurring customers. Clean one house once, and you made a sale. Clean the same house every week or every 2 weeks, and now you have recurring revenue. Start alone. Build a customer list. Then hire other cleaners. Suddenly, you are not selling your own time anymore. You are managing a small cleaning company. Not glamorous, very useful. Number 5. Lawn care. Grass has one particularly annoying business characteristic. It keeps growing. For the customer, that is annoying. For Buck, that sounded suspiciously like recurring revenue. One customer might need mowing every week during the season. Now imagine 20 customers in the same neighborhood. The real advantage is density. Less driving, more lawns, more work completed in the same day. A lawnmower, basic equipment, and a reliable schedule can become the beginning of a surprisingly serious local business. Buck looked at the grass differently after that. Number 4. Pressure washing. This one almost feels unfair. Take something filthy. Add water under ridiculous pressure, and suddenly people will pay you because their driveway looks new again. Driveways, patios, walls, decks, fences, commercial properties. The transformation is extremely visible, which means before and after photos practically advertise the business for you. It is also one of those services customers understand immediately. No complicated sales pitch. That wall is dirty. You make it clean. Buck approved. Number 3. Window cleaning. Buck originally thought window cleaning was just someone with a bucket and a squeegee. Then he started looking at buildings, restaurants, stores, offices, apartment complexes. Windows are everywhere, and unlike many one-time jobs, commercial customers may need them cleaned again and again. The equipment can be relatively simple, but reliability matters. Show up when promised. Do good work. Do not leave streaks everywhere. Apparently, this alone already puts you ahead of quite a few competitors. Number 2. Junk removal. Now things became more interesting. People accumulate stuff. Old furniture, broken appliances, boxes, garage junk, things from moving things from renovations. And eventually somebody looks at the pile and says, "I do not want to deal with this." That sentence can be a business. A truck or trailer lets you charge for removing the problem. But there is another layer. Some items can be recycled, some can be resold. Some may even have scrap value. So in certain cases, customers pay you to take away something you can sell again. Buck had to read that twice. And number 1. Mobile car detailing. This one caught Buck's attention because you bring the service directly to the customer. No fancy shop required at the beginning. You arrive with your equipment. Clean the car. Restore the interior. Polish the exterior. And customers can pay considerably more than they would for a basic automatic car wash. The business also has natural upgrades. Interior deep cleaning, paint correction, headlight restoration, protective coatings, fleet contracts. One customer can become several services, and several customers can eventually become employees, vans, and routes. What looks like somebody washing cars can quietly become an actual operation. After looking at all 6, Buck realized something. None of these ideas were revolutionary. And maybe that was their greatest advantage. They solved obvious problems. Problems people already had. You do not need to invent demand if someone's dirty driveway, overgrown lawn, or overflowing garage is already creating it. The lesson was surprisingly simple. You do not always need a genius business idea. Sometimes you just need to solve a boring problem better than everyone else. But Buck had only explored the comfortable jobs, because in the next group, the work gets dirtier, much dirtier, and strangely enough, the money can get better too. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with someone who might find these ideas useful. And if you want to see the next 6 jobs nobody wants to do, click the video on screen. Because in part 2, things get dirtier and surprisingly even more profitable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.